How to fix phone overheating during games. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix your phone overheating during gaming. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So for some immediate cooling techniques, you can first remove your phone case. The phone case traps heat, so removing it will allow the heat to escape. Also, you can move to a closer area, cooler area, and use fans and also close background apps. So those are some quick techniques. Now what you can do other than that is you can lower your game's graphic settings. You can also use your game mode from your mobile device. So let me show you an example. If I just open up a game, a random game here, I'll get this game mode option. If I tap on it, you can see the game mode is turned off. I can turn it on. After I turn on the game mode, it will optimize my performance and my battery as well. So after you turn on your game mode, what you can also do is reduce your phone's brightness. Swipe down from the top and reduce the brightness. After that, you can also avoid charging while gaming. Charging can generate heat, and combining that with the heat from this games itself can cause severe overheating, which is not safe as well. And after that, keep your phones and app unlocked. Make sure to not let them log in. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.